I have another unboxing one, and this is the Monster Coca-Cola one. And to be honest, I don't want the secret. I do not want it. No. I really don't. But I hope I get the surprise shake. I kind of like this one so much. I'm so scared. Oh my god. Let's hope I don't get the secret. No. Oh my god. Dude.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
I'm like, I'm gonna cry. This is ridiculous, but it's cute, but like, I don't want this one.
Does it come out of the can?
I'm about to take it out of the can. But I got the secrets.
Then it could be cocoa berry or coconut. Whatever the secret from the other one.